Afternoon, my little kids. I hope you all are fine and safe, right? See, now we'll do some revise, okay? Revise of English subject. Which subject? English subject. Revision is very important, okay? Revision is very important. Don't think that we are studying same chapter again and again. But no, we should revise. We should always do a revision work. So now let me again start with the revision work. So now see, in my previous video you have already learned about letter E and H. Letter E and H we have already learned, but you need to learn more. You have just identified letter E and H, right? We have just identified letter E and H, but we have not practiced how to write letter E. But I know we'll not write now. Later on we'll write, but still then you can do a oral part for practicing also. So I am going to teach you how to write letter E and H with the help of line, okay, with the help of pattern. So let's identify E and H. Will identify letter, okay? So and will identify what stand for letter E and H, okay? Let's make a two bracket. Okay, let's make a two bracket. So make a dot, make a dot. So make a standing line. Make a standing line and then make a dot, make a dot, make a sleeping line, okay, make one more sleeping line and here one more sleeping line. So which letter is this? This is letter E. Which letter is this? This is letter E, okay. So do you know what stand for letter E? E for egg, E for elephant. So this is letter E. E for elephant. What is this? E for elephant. Let's do with action. E for elephant. E for elephant and E for egg, anda. E for egg, E for egg, E for egg, E for elephant, E for egg, E for egg. So coming to the next point. Which letter is this? You don't have to write. This is just an oral part, okay? You don't have to write. So which letter is this? for hand. Kukuruku. See. E for elephant. E for egg. Repeat after me. E for elephant. E for egg. E for elephant. E for egg. E for egg. H for hen. H for hen. H for hen. H for head. H for head. H for head. H for head. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for egg. E for egg. H for hat. H for hat. H for hand. Okay, this is just a oral part. Okay, you need to revise. We need to revise. Okay, you need to revise what stand for letter H and E. Okay, so next, today I am going to again introduction new letter. Okay, which new letter? Let's start. See, this is also just a oral part. You don't have to write in your notebook. Okay, I am just showing you a letter. Okay, so can you identify which letter is this? Standing line. Make a sleeping line. So which letter is this? This is letter L. Which letter is this? This is letter L. See, you all might be confused, right? Because I have taught letter A, right? Letter B, letter C, letter D, letter E, right? But suddenly, how come letter H and L in middle, right? You might be confused, right? But this one was just a oral part. We are not going to write this letter. No, will not write this letter. A, B, C, D. Will not write now. Will write according to the line concept. Yes, you have already learned in my previous video regarding line concept. So, we'll start letter also with the line concept. According to the line concept, we are going to start letter. Okay, this is just a oral part, but we'll start writing letter L soon. Okay, we'll start writing letter L soon. See, this is A, B, C, D. This was just a oral part. You will not write in your notebook. Okay, you will not write in your notebook. You just have to identify only. See, we'll start writing letter according to the line concept, which you have already learned in my previous video, right? You have learned about the standing line, you have learned about the sleeping line, you have learned about slanting line, right? So, according to the line concept, we'll start writing letter. Okay, so don't be confused. Okay, see, don't be confused. Don't think that why ma'am is starting writing directly letter L. Why not A, B, C, D? See, this is A, B, C, D is just an oral part. But we'll start writing a letter with the line concept. Okay, with the line concept. So, line concept. Okay, See, now just identify this letter, okay? Which letter is this? Make a dot, standing line and sleeping line. Can you identify which letter is this? This is? Which letter is this? This is letter L. Which letter is this? This is letter L. Which letter is this? This is letter L. You have to just identify, okay? Later on soon we'll start writing letter L, okay? So which letter is this? This is letter L. See, it is very easy to make letter L. Make a dot and make a dot. You have to make a 3 dot. Make a standing line and make a sleeping line. Which letter is this? This is letter L. Which letter is this? This is letter L. Do you know what stands for letter L? L for lion. Lion will eat you. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. And L for land also. L for lamb also. Right? L for lion. L for lion. Okay. So today we have introduction new letter. Which letter is this? Letter L. Which letter is this? This is letter L. Okay. Which letter is this? This is letter L. See, today I am not giving any worksheet. Okay. This is just a oral part. Okay. Just a oral part. So just you have to revise. Which letter is this? A. B. C. And D. A. B. C. D. And E. Which letter is this? E. A, B, C, D, E. Okay? Which letter is this? Letter A, B, C, D and E. Okay? Now, see here. See, I am going to write all the letters. You have to repeat after me. Okay? Now see. You have to repeat after me. Which letter? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. See, we'll do a rhymes of ABCD. Okay, we'll do a rhymes of ABCD. See, A B C D E F G H I J K L O M N P. Okay, L O M N P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. See, you can practice this rhymes also. And now see, open your English book and revise this ABC. Okay, let's you have to repeat after me. Okay, say A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. See, this is one rhymes, okay, which you have to revise this ABCD rhymes. That's why I am showing you the letter A to Z. So try to practice ABCD rhymes. Okay, you have to practice ABCD rhymes with action. Okay, we have to practice ABCD rhymes. Okay, with action. And you have to revise all the revision work whatever ma'am has taught you from June. Okay, from whatever ma'am has taught you from June to July, you have to revise every day. Okay, you have to revise also. Till then, today I am not giving you any worksheet. You just need to oral all my topic which I have already taught you in June and July. So revise everything. Okay, no worksheet, just a oral part. You have to revise all. Okay, you have to revise all. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself and please don't forget to drink milk